Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most asked questions. How long does it take to lose weight? It's a question that pops up all the time, and rightfully so. We all want to know how long it takes to reach our goals, especially when it comes to our health. Now, before we jump in, I want to make something clear. There's no magic number or one-size-fits-all answer. Everyone's body is different, and your weight loss journey is unique to you. But don't worry, we're going to break down the science, the factors at play, and give you a realistic view of what to expect. We'll be covering everything from how much weight you should aim to lose per week to the risks of rapid weight loss. We'll even dive into different diet plans and what really makes a difference when it comes to sustainable weight management. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of healthy and effective weight loss, stick around. So let's cut to the chase. How long does it actually take to lose weight? This is a question that many people ask when they start their weight loss journey. Well, a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss is generally considered to be 1 to 2 pounds per week. This might not sound like much, but it adds up over time. I know, you probably want to lose it all and lose it fast, right? It's natural to feel impatient, especially when you're putting in a lot of effort. But trust me, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to weight loss. Rapid weight loss can often lead to quick regain, which is not what we want. Think of it like this. You didn't gain the weight overnight, so you can't expect to lose it overnight either. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Now, this 1 to 2 pounds per week guideline is just that, a guideline. Everyone's body is different, and your progress might vary. Your individual timeline can be influenced by a bunch of factors. These include your starting weight, your diet, and your exercise routine. We're talking about your metabolism, activity level, age, body composition, and even your genetics. All these elements play a role in how quickly or slowly you lose weight. For some people, they might see more dramatic weight loss in the beginning, especially if they have a lot of weight to lose. This initial drop can be very motivating, but as you get closer to your goal weight, the process might slow down a bit. That's totally normal. Your body is adjusting and finding a new balance. The key is to focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes rather than looking for a quick fix. This means adopting healthy eating habits and regular physical activity. Remember, this is about long-term health, not just fitting into that dress for a special occasion. It's about feeling good and being healthy for life. We're in this for the long haul, and that means setting realistic expectations and celebrating every victory along the way, no matter how big or small. Each step forward is progress. So be patient with yourself, stay consistent with your efforts, and you'll get there. Consistency and perseverance are your best allies in this journey. Now let's talk about setting realistic weight loss goals. It's crucial to approach this journey with a mindset that prioritizes health and sustainability over quick fixes. We just covered that a healthy rate is 1 to 2 pounds per week, which might not sound like much, but it adds up over time. But what does that mean for you specifically? Everyone's body is different, and so are their weight loss journeys. The first thing to consider is your starting point. Are you looking to lose a significant amount of weight, or are you aiming for a smaller, more manageable goal? Someone who has a significant amount of weight to lose might aim for that 2 pounds per week mark, which can be both motivating and achievable with the right plan. While someone who's closer to their goal weight might aim for 1 pound, or even just focus on maintaining their current weight. This approach can help prevent burnout and keep you motivated. It's important to remember that even losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can have significant health benefits. This small change can make a big difference. We're talking about lowering your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even some types of cancer. These health improvements are invaluable, and even some types of cancer. These benefits go beyond just the physical. They can improve your quality of life and longevity. So don't get caught up in aiming for a specific number on the scale. Instead, focus on how you feel and the positive changes you're making. Instead, focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes that you can stick with for the long haul. These changes will support your health and well-being in the long run. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine a healthy weight range for you based on your individual needs and health history. They can provide valuable guidance. They can help you set realistic goals and create a personalized plan that's safe and effective. This tailored approach ensures you're on the right path. Remember, this is about so much more than just a number on the scale. It's about feeling better, having more energy, and improving your overall quality of life. It's about improving your overall health and well-being, and that's something to be truly proud of. Celebrate every small victory along the way. And remember, every step you take towards a healthier you is a step worth celebrating. Alright, let's get a little scientific here and talk about how weight loss actually happens. You've probably heard of the term calories in, calories out, and that's essentially the basic principle. When you consume fewer calories than your body burns, you create a calorie deficit. This deficit forces your body to tap into its energy stores, which are primarily stored as fat. Think of it like this: your body needs a certain amount of energy to function each day. This energy comes from the food you eat. If you eat more calories than your body needs, it stores the excess energy as fat. But if you eat fewer calories than your body needs, it has to find that energy from somewhere else, and that's where your fat stores come in. Now, it's not quite as simple as just eating less and moving more. Our bodies are complex machines, and there are a lot of factors that can influence how we burn and store energy. Hormones, genetics, and even our gut bacteria can all play a role. But at its core, weight loss ultimately comes down to creating a calorie deficit over a sustained period of time. Let's dive a little deeper into some of the factors that can affect your weight loss journey. Understanding these elements can help you tailor your approach and make more informed decisions. As I mentioned earlier, it's not just about calories in, calories out. There are multiple layers to consider. Your metabolism, which is essentially how efficiently your body burns calories, plays a significant role. It's influenced by various factors including genetics, age, and muscle mass. Some people naturally have a faster metabolism than others, meaning they burn more calories at rest. This can be a game changer in your weight loss efforts. Age can also play a factor. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our metabolism. As we get older, our metabolism tends to slow down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. This is why older adults often need to adjust their diet and exercise routines. Your diet, of course, is a major player. The types of food you consume can either support or hinder your weight loss journey. What you eat and how much you eat directly impacts your calorie intake. Portion control and mindful eating are essential strategies. Choosing nutrient-rich whole foods over processed foods can make a big difference. Whole foods provide essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Exercise is another crucial factor. Regular physical activity helps you burn calories and improve your fitness levels. Physical activity not only burns calories but also helps build muscle mass, which can further boost your metabolism. Incorporating both cardio and strength training can be particularly effective. And let's not forget about sleep and stress. Both of these factors can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Lack of sleep and chronic stress can disrupt your hormones, leading to increased appetite and fat storage. Managing stress and ensuring you get enough rest are crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. So, as you can see, weight loss is a complex process influenced by a variety of factors. It's not just about diet and exercise, it's about a holistic approach to health. The good news is that by understanding these factors, you can work with your body to achieve your goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Knowledge is power, and with the right strategies, you can make lasting changes. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, diet. With so many different diets out there, it can be overwhelming to know which one is right for you. The truth is, there's no single best diet for weight loss. The most effective diet is the one you can stick to long term. Instead of focusing on restrictive fad diets, aim for a balanced approach that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods are packed with nutrients and fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. It's also important to pay attention to portion sizes and be mindful of your calorie intake. Remember, creating a calorie deficit is key for weight loss. Now, that doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods. It's all about moderation. Allow yourself occasional treats, but make sure they're just that, treats, not everyday staples. And don't be afraid to experiment with different healthy recipes and find what works best for you. Weight loss should be enjoyable, not a chore. Remember, it's about making sustainable lifestyle changes, not following a restrictive diet short term. Find a way of eating that nourishes your body and makes you feel your best. We've talked about the importance of slow and steady weight loss, but let's really drive home why rapid weight loss can be risky. When you lose weight too quickly, your body can go into a bit of a shock. It's not getting the same amount of calories it's used to, and it might think it's in starvation mode. This can lead to a whole host of unpleasant side effects like nutrient deficiencies, fatigue, hair loss, gallstones, and even a weakened immune system. Not only that, but rapid weight loss often results in losing muscle mass along with fat. This can actually slow down your metabolism in the long run, making it harder to keep the weight off. And let's not forget about the psychological impact. Drastically restricting your calories or over-exercising can take a toll on your mental health and lead to an unhealthy relationship with food and your body. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making gradual changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain over time. Focus on nourishing your body with healthy foods, moving your body regularly, and prioritizing your mental well-being. That's the recipe for long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Remember, your weight loss journey is unique to you. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Stay tuned for more videos on how to achieve your health and wellness goals. See you next time.